Welcome back. Drum and bass. Soloed. Here we go. We made this sound last time, pretty cool little sound. So I want to play with the two responses today. I should really start calling these what they are, so we'll keep them as they are. We did have this bass sound which I never ended up using. That could almost work at the start if we were to make it shorter or less prominent. No, too much going on there, so I'll just Control Z that. I want to change this sound. I want to make it a little bit more... what's the word? A bit more unpredictable, perhaps? We did the pitch envelope at one stage, which made it pretty crazy. I'm just going to be real strange and duplicate this amp 5 times. Doesn't really do anything. Let's delete one. Nope. Nope. So it sounds like more than one gets rid of the highs, which is an interesting result I didn't expect. What else can I do to this? Let's maybe I've got a dynamic tube. Maybe not really pushing it enough. What if we put a redux before that, because that usually introduces some more high harmonics. It's a pretty intense sound. Trying the different harmonics here on the FM OSC. What if we add 2? We might just make this a sine wave. We'll bring it up and bring up the sustain and maybe play with the chorus. Make it a square. It's interesting how it kind of goes away when I give it too much attack. I'm really stabbing in the dark here, but I quite like it. Now put the pitch envelope on. Let's make it go up instead, so we'll make the peak an initial 0 and sustain up. Give it a curve. Now let's try it with the reverb. It needs to be like here. That's so intense. It's great. Now we need to get this filter on, I think. I want more space, so I'm gonna... Oh, we used the phaser flanger for that, didn't we? It's kind of cool. Is it? Let's put the spread out a lot. What if we give it 4 notches? It doesn't really matter. Sounds more flanged with more notches. 3. Let's bring the limiter right up. Bring the volume down. Can we put one more note in there? Doesn't really hit as hard as the first one, does it? What's happened now? I'm going to duplicate this, and this is going to be a little bit different, this one. We're going to get rid of the pitch envelope. It's because of the filter, it's not connecting that well. It's really evolving now. going to put another one here. I'm going to turn this on and just delete the automation, just have it about halfway. Get rid of that. Maybe a down saw. That's kind of cool. Maybe even bring this back a beat. And we could have the rate going 8 there, and oh man, I said this was gonna. I was gonna keep this simple. Oh well, this one can be fast. Maybe bring this one back one. No. I need to change this one up a little bit, so I'm going to lose the phaser. And we'll do that filter track. We're really pushing all the frequencies here, so I'm not sure how this is going to really hold. What if we used a high pass instead? Okay, we're going to group this and we're going to duplicate it, and we're going to have one low pass, one high pass. And there's the way that we can get our stereo, so we can get rid of this. And we can split these left and right. All too much. Okay, so instead we'll go for an auto pan on one side. And we'll go 2 bars amount, and then we'll duplicate that to the next one, keep it the same, but we'll put the phasing on offset on 180. That's muted. Bring the amount down a bit. It's too crazy. Not too sure about that, but hey, we did a thing, and I know it's a cool sound. That's for sure. I don't think that note should go up, at least not now, maybe in another version of it. Anyway, I'm going to have a think on this. Tune in to the next one.